right, this is the Blue Diamond Ultra Instinct George Bailey channel. That's what's up, baby.
Hopefully I can count my next flight soon. Swear to God, it's gonna be a pain in the... Oh! Why, hello. Wasn't expecting me to be back after nearly getting captured by error, right? Hang on. Let me properly introduce myself. What's up, you guys? This is Blue Diamond Ultra Instinct George Bailey here, and today we are playing Airport, or Airplane for short. Yeah, that's right, we're going to be playing the first level of this game. Pretty simple, easy, and ready to go. Things are going to be pretty awesome, so I'll tell you all right now. The hashtags of the week are going to be Blue Friday, as always, Airplane, and endings. I'm gonna show you a couple of endings while I'm here. First, I gotta show you all the timer. There's the timer. I think the player's right here. There's the timer. Alright, let's do this. And a lot more players are joining this one. Alright, guys, let's get straight into this, shall we? See you in a bit. Alright, I'm on the plane now, so this is the Roblox game after all, so... Oh, that's good. Alright, let's find my seat. It's a G13, so let's get straight to this one. Here we are. There's my seat. Why can't I sit down? Oh, here we go. Sorry. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so... Alright, by the way, guys, there are certain endings to this game that you might want to find out. There's the solo ending, the secret ending, and a bad ending? There is a bad ending, right? Yeah, probably there is. If there isn't, then may God have mercy on us all. I'm just kidding. Last time I did a Roblox Spoof Friday video, I got captured by Error Sands. Sonic, Papyrus, and Sands have to save me from him. And then Swap, Papyrus, Ink, and Dream can't save me as well, but Sonic told me that Dream was betraying us, so yeah. How pretty bizarre. Oh, we got... Alright. Well, let's just sit back and enjoy our ride. I'll be right back, folks. Again, not me, then it's totally lucky. Huh, how the hell did that video manifest so quickly? Oh, here it is. Yeah, we'll enjoy our sandwiches quite well. Thank you very much. I already ate mine. Yummy. Okay, here we go, folks. Here it comes. Here it goes. Uh-oh. It's, this one. I better get out of my seat quickly so I can look around. Bib. Alright, let's have a look around. Ready. Someone's used Bailey. I love it. Alright, let's have a look around. Oh. Damn it. Quick, look around. Did someone found it? Swear to God. Swear to God, someone's gonna die here. Oh. Oh, found it. Nailed it. Looks like I saved a human being's life. How awesome was that? Could have died from severe allergic reaction. Yeah, that was funny. Not really, but it was pretty cool. If you get my drift. Yee. By the way, do you like my new costume, my new designs of my Roblox character, sorry. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Again, folks, the hashtags of the week are going to be Ooh Friday, Airplane, and secret endings. I'll tell you the secret endings in my comment in the description below, because why not? We'll be right back, folks. We'll take a short break. There's a demon. Oh no. Is that what I think it is? Right there? That's the demon. The same one I had to encounter. It's not error sands, but similar to error sands. I know. Pretty mind-blowing. Whoa! Get on top of the seats. Quickly. The snakes. Snakes. Shout. Oh god. Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes? God damn it. Wait. Why? Oh, there's some of them going after me, but not all of them are going after me. That's a bit bizarre. Yeah, I know. There's snakes. We get it. How obvious is that? There it is. Go, 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 go. Get inside, get inside. Yes! Made it! Get inside. Alright. Think we should be good now. I know. Pretty scary to me. Again. That was this. What the hell? Am I not recording? Oh yeah, we are recording, but something's not right. Give me a moment. This is some real weird stuff. It just gets bizarre each week. Especially now that this is to God knows what the hell. Sorry, I had to check my recording just in case things went a little bit wrong. Good news and bad news. Let's go for the bad news. Oh, okay. Bad news. Uh-oh. Not severely good. What? Oh, there we go. No! Yes! Did I get on? Yes. Not today. Not today, USA. Haha. Nobody's better outsmarting than the god. Oh, someone just died. Well played. That's what they get for messing with Mr. Blue Diamond. Hey. Uh-oh. Wait. Aw, crap. How unlucky. I've got a bomb stuck to my bloody chest. Balls. Guys, help. Please. I'll be happy. I will give you a quick shout out if you do. By any chance you can save my awesome life? Please. Wait. Please, don't leave me. Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you so much. You're the best. Save me. Cut any wire that doesn't involve my death. Please. Oh, this is bad. Blue. Say blue. No. Oh, yay. I'm still alive, baby. Woohoo. That's right. I'm not dead. Damn straight. Look at me. I'm not dead. Boom. Again. Yeah. I'm awesome. Anyway. 3 players left. Me and 2 other people.
Quick time skip.
Found it. Wait, the captain's unconscious? What's that supposed to mean? Wait. I've always wondered, why don't we go through this door here? See what happens. Let's see. If I go for this door, I'm sure it's open. Nope. Nope, it's not open. Damn it all. Hurry up, we need to find the code. see this, but I'll be right back, folks. Apparently, we're gonna have to press a lot of buttons. Wow. That's a lot of buttons. Ooh, what to press, what to press? I don't know. I ain't got no clue. Find the button. Let's do it. Let's see if my confidence level is so good. Press every button. We have only 1 minute. Oh! I found it! Nailed it. Huh. I must have a smart brain. Yeah, baby. Cool. We did it. Damn right we did. I'm the best. You're my psychic. Haha. Alright, let's drive this baby back down to the campus, baby. Do what you need to do, dude. Hello. Boop. Alright, so far so good. Nothing has happened yet, but we're gonna confront the demon. I got this. Just sit back and watch your captain save the day. Alright, let me just type it in. Folks, let's do it. Uh-oh. Demon. Okay. Sorry. Oh no, it's you. It's back. You're still alive. Happy Supersonic 19. You what? Oh crap! You killed my friend. Oh no! You killed her. You monster! I'll kill. I'm not gonna crash it, you know. Huh, really? Okay. I can't believe that I almost on the I got the solo ending. That's it, folks. If you haven't already, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will try and show you all the other endings in my next video, and then after that we're going straight into Plane 2. Hope you all stick around. This has been Blue Diamond Ultra Instant George Bailey, signing out.